Hey, it's Michael Saul, also known as Tiny, with the market outlook for the week of November 11th, 2013. Couple of things. First, I apologize for the lack of videos the last few weeks. Unfortunately, I had some medical issues. I had thyroid cancer that had to be removed, and I wound up being in the hospital the past 2 Sundays. Actually, last Sunday, I probably could have done a video, but I was just getting out of the hospital, and I decided to just take a break. So now I'm back to better than I was before the surgery, which really wasn't that good to start with anyway. The second thing is I want to send out a big heartfelt thanks to all the veterans out there. November 11th is Veterans Day. It is absolutely asinine that the market is open. And I guess you could argue the other way and say, well, you know what? If the market closed every day that we should be honoring veterans, it would never be open. Because the truth is, every day is Veterans Day. Okay, the sacrifices that you men and women made and continue to make on a daily basis to protect mine and my family's rights and freedom just leaves me speechless. Well, apparently not, but I mean, it leaves me close to speechless. I cannot even tell you how much I admire what you're doing and how you are the true heroes in this world. All right, and I hope that you take the time out to reflect, but yourself and your fellow friends and colleagues in the military on how important this day is. And like I said, every day should really be Veterans Day. All right, on to the market now. So in the past couple of weeks, the market has pushed up, gone sideways, and then we had a little bit of volatility spike at the end of last week. We opened up higher and then sold off, and then the next day, which was Friday, we basically got it all back, closed at a new closing high, all-time high for the S&P 500. Now, we didn't close at a new intraday high, but that's okay. This has been the highest close on the S&P 500. All right, now, after Thursday's candle, if you're a subscriber to my email list, you will know that I was looking for a pause, either a day, a couple of days, and then I was looking for continued downside. Yeah, I'm not looking for that anymore. All right, how different one day can make things. Now, the reason that I was looking for more downside here is the Dow. Every time the Dow had clipped a new high, we had seen a pullback here. Okay, at least recently, the last few times. And really, I want to see a pullback here. I want to see us pull back here because I think that would set up for one last run into the end of the year. I do not believe we are going to sell off hard into year end. I believe that we will close at near the top part of the range. And of course, there's still a couple months to go, so maybe I'm going to be dead wrong on this, but I just don't see the fund managers, the institutions letting this market come down without a battle, right? Obviously, if there's news, I can't predict that. But as far as price action goes, I cannot see us selling off hard here. All right, the super gurus have been picking tops all the way up there. They've been dead wrong, never admit it. They only talk about the occasional long side layup trade that they get when the whole market's rallying and they happen to call along. Okay, I am not ready to call a high in here. I just would love to see a pullback because I think that would position us to, really have an opportunity to get long and get an end-of-year rally, Santa Claus rally, whatever you want to call it. All right. So for the time being, though, for this week, I am going to be watching for early weakness as a buying opportunity to see if we can blow the lid off of this little consolidation. Now, obviously, if we have a complete reversal of what happened Friday, then I'm back to looking for a deeper pullback. But right now, I'm going to be watching short-term weakness for a potential buying opportunity to see if we can rally. Already showed you the Dow looks the same as the S&P. The Russell is lagging a little bit, but it held the 50-day moving average. That's fine. We're getting into the seasonal area where the small caps tend to outperform the large caps, so that's a dynamic we want to watch. And the Dow, also not at new highs, but only a little bit to get there. So are we out of the woods? I'm going to say, based on the S&P 500, yeah, that this Thursday looks like a one-day wonder. But, I mean, if, like I said, if we just give it back, even if it's not in one day, even if, okay, this was maybe just a one-day wonder and we start to inch down and creep down and break down, then I'll be watching for a retracement. I'm going to get my Fibonacci tool out and measure these, the length of these, and I'm going to look for something similar in a similar amount of time. But overall, I am bullish here, and I would love to see a pullback. Don't know if it's going to happen, but if it does, my opinion, that would be a nice opportunity for an end-of-year move. Have a great trading week. If you would like to join the Sunday night strategy sessions for a free look at the market, stocks, you can bring your questions and ask. I will hyperlink. I won't. Well, I actually can't hyperlink you. Sorry. I will put the link in the description. And if you would like to attend a very special class Tuesday night with Money Manager Paul Schatz and I on market timing, we're going to teach 4 techniques on high odd techniques on market timing. I'll include that link as well, and you could sign up there. Both are free. I look forward to seeing you. Have a great trading week, and I'll talk to you in the next video.